Hello stalkers, welcome back. Very positive day in both the markets, that is DFM and ADX. Let's start with Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. I am on the daily chart. If you are watching my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning 9400 is resistance area. What does this mean? There are chances either market will get rejected here or it can come down for a correction from here. Exactly, this is what we are seeing here. Check out today's candle. It entered 9400. It went up till about 9425, got rejected to close at 9396. This is a clear rejection of 9400 points. It means market is not ready for this zone. Previously, as we can see, this was resistance as well, that is 9350. Market pierced this one very nicely. It continued its upside momentum. Similarly, check this out, this area was also resistance, that is 9245. Market broke the resistance, it came down for a retest, and from here we are seeing a fresh rally to the upside. If you ask me for another example, similarly check this out, this was resistance, that is 9160. Market tried to break out, it got rejected, it spent about 10 to 12 days here, and then finally it broke past. This is how support and resistance work in the market. If at all market has a strong resistance, market will either come down for a correction or it will spend some days to establish a base here, and then finally a big momentum to the upside is seen. So for now we can see this area is resisted, that is 9400. What can happen from here is we may see a healthy correction till about 9350 or even 9325, and then most likely we will see another bounce to the upside. On the other scenario, if at all market does not want to come down for a correction, it can even break past. If at all we can see a candle close above 9430, we will confirm resistance is now taken out, then there are chances of continuation. Overall, ADX market is bullish, it's very positive. This is the daily chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. Today it printed a red candle, but still big stocks performed very well. It was Emirates, NBD and DIB that didn't perform well, so we are seeing its weightage on the market index today. Closing is at 4284. It's still good, I'm not negative. Just one red candle cannot change the direction of the market. On the way up, we have seen many red candles. These are just pause candles. Market is just trying to take a breather, and then we see continuation to the upside. However, something very important to notice, when market was climbing up, we could see small candles on the way up, but this time we are seeing relatively a big size candle. This indicates yes, there was selling pressure in the market, but at the same time we cannot say trend is reversing. This can be again a pause candle. If at all it can break the resistance of 4315, then there are chances it will try and hit 4360. We are above resistance zone, that is 4240. Previously we know this was the neckline of this bearish chart pattern that I have been discussing, that is head and shoulder. Market broke past, there are good chances it may come down to revisit this zone, that is 4200 to 4240, establish a base here, and then maybe we will see a continuation. Or there is another scenario, market may take a pause by just going sideways here to establish a base. It may consolidate here, and then we will see a breakout to the upside most likely. Overall, DFM market is also very bullish. This is the daily chart of Q Holding. It performed very well, one of the best performer. It hit limit up for the day. Just in case if you have missed my previous analysis on Q Holding, do watch it. Here is the link. Once you watch that video, you will get an idea why I had mentioned there are good chances of a breakout from here. Guys, if you are simply buying and selling randomly in the market, it means you are not having any plan, you are just trying to gamble. If at all stock moves in your favor, you make money. If at all it goes down, you are in losses, or you may block your capital. Do watch that video, you will understand how I am planning in advance, how I am picking up stocks that are ready for a breakout. I had mentioned about the breakout of resistance area right after this candle, and from here we are seeing a solid momentum to the upside. Today it broke important areas of resistance that we have to highlight. Number one is obviously 3.03 to 3.05. As I had mentioned earlier, this zone is tested multiple times, so it does not have good strength. There are chances it will be taken out. Also, let me give you a quick recap. This area that is 3.10, it's been tested several times As we can see, multiple attempts were made, but it was not a success. Whenever it was trying for a breakout, we could see selling pressure again and again in the market. So obviously, if a particular zone is being tested multiple times, it gets weaker and weaker. There are no aggressive sellers at the zone. And this is what we are seeing today. Aggressive buying pressure, buyers were in control. Today's high at 3.39. Now from here there are good chances it can make a pause candle because this is too much for a day. Market needs to adjust. However, if it wants to continue its upside momentum, next area of resistance is at 3.50. In case if you have missed today's rally, then do not try to jump right at the top. There are chances it can come down for a correction and you will block your capital. Therefore, it's always advisable to take your entries at the time of a breakout or once it breaks the immediate resistance so that you can have a small stop loss and then you can plan for a big run. I hope you got this point. Hit the like button, subscribe for free daily updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.